In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll start right on Squarespace's Create Your Website page. Open your browser and head to the Squarespace website, specifically the page where you can start building a site. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in so you can access your account tools. Once you're in, move to your account dashboard. This is the central hub that shows your sites and key products tied to your account. If you don't see it immediately, look for a dashboard or account link in the top navigation. From here, you'll be able to access everything related to your website projects. Inside the dashboard, locate and click on Website. This opens the area where all of your existing websites are listed. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one by its site name or thumbnail. Next, click on the website you want to work on. This brings you into that site's configuration area. You're now just a click away from the editor where you can make visual changes to your pages. Click Edit to enter the site editor. This turns your page into an editable canvas, letting you change text, rearrange sections, and add new content blocks. If you don't see Edit, you may need the right permissions, or you might be viewing a protected page. In that case, switch to a page you're allowed to edit. Now hover over the section where you want to place new content and click Add Block. Blocks are Squarespace's building pieces, things like images, text, buttons, and more. Choose a section that visually matches where you want your social icons or links to live, often the header, footer, or a contact section. In the block search, type social links. This helps you quickly find the social links block without scrolling through the entire list. It's designed to display recognizable icons that link out to your profiles, keeping your design clean and consistent. Click Social Links to add it and then set it up to include a WhatsApp link. In the block settings, add a new social profile and paste your WhatsApp URL. A reliable format is the wa.me link, followed by your full number with country code, no symbols or spaces. For example, wa.me/your full number. You can also use a message link with text parameters if you want a pre-filled message. Adjust the icon style and size to match your site's design. Before you navigate away, make sure your changes are saved in the editor. Then preview your page and test the WhatsApp icon to confirm it opens correctly on both desktop and mobile. That's it. Your Squarespace site now includes a working WhatsApp link via the social links block.